G'day all. So, big update. Things have been moving not too quickly. Had a few drift events to go to and supported a few mates there, so that cut a few weekends short. But there has been some progress. Excuse the lighting in the dark, I'm just a bit excited. Fuel cells mounted, fuel pumps in, plumbed, wired. Battery box is also there, secured, wired. There's a hoop for the roll cage that I've got folded up. Also picked up the targa top for it, so now it can be a car again. It is quite messy in here, but everything's wired. ECU is in, mounted, and it goes. It runs, it starts, it turns on the key. Pretty happy, pretty impressive that it worked as easily as it did. A few little bits and bobs, but that was to be expected, just cutting up the BMW loom and trying to convert it to the Toyota loom. There's a fair mess there, but that's all headlight, tail light, indicator wiring and so on and so forth. That's all going to be running out of this relay bank right here. All the main powers go in out of that fusible link junction box there. Everything's fused straight from the battery. As far as in the car goes, I have power, I have lights, still have to tidy up all the wiring. In that bag is a combi switch that I picked up off a really nice bloke on Facebook Marketplace. So that's gonna sort out my indicator, headlight, wipers. In the meantime, I have actually picked up another shell that used to be owned by a mate. I put some photos in of that. We picked it up from the wreckers and transferred it to a mate's place, where that's going to be either the spare shell, the cut shell, or just for generally good parts. There's not a lot of these on the ground, but that was a pretty good thing. It has had a fire. It's got no engine. It's not a targa top either. It's a hard top, but there's still going to be a lot of good stuff on it. It's worth having. But as we speak, key on, turn the key, and it starts and runs. And it runs smooth. It is straight out of 3-inch at the moment. But it's crisp and spicy. I better turn it off. It's a bit late here. The girls are inside trying to sleep. And it's got no coolant, but it is getting very close. Obviously a lot of stuff to go. It's pretty untidy at the moment. It needs a good clean up. Need to get some other bits and bobs and switches from the spare car. And I need a tail shaft. I've actually got a new rear subframe diff assembly coming from the other end of the country. As we speak, it was picked up today for me. And that'll be reinforced, dual caliper rear end made before going in the back. Then it's basically tail shaft, tidy up, roll cage, and she's going to be a goer. I think for the door trims I'm going to go a sheet of aluminium. Might even get fancy and get a sheet of carbon fibre. And that'll just be covered there. It's not worth sourcing some good door cards. They are quite bulky, and I doubt they'll pass the side intrusion bars when they get made. But progress is happening. Very, very exciting.